Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Zillow rental manager. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and make sure you have a stable internet connection. In the address bar, type Zillow.com and press enter to go to the official Zillow website. Look to the top right corner of the page and find the sign in button. Click sign in to open the login options. If you already have a Zillow account, choose the sign-in method you used before, such as email, Google, or Apple. If you are signing in with email, click the email option to see the email and password fields. Click inside the email field and type the email address connected to your Zillow account. Click inside the password field and type your password carefully. Double-check for typos, especially if caps lock is on or if you have extra spaces. Click the sign-in button to continue. If Zillow asks for a verification code, check your email or phone and enter the code exactly as received. After signing in, look at the top right corner for your profile icon or your name to confirm you are logged in. Now move your cursor to the menu and find Rentals or the Landlord Tools section, depending on your screen. Click Rental Manager or Manage Rentals to open Zillow Rental Manager. If you are redirected to a separate page, wait for it to load fully before clicking anything else. On the Rental Manager dashboard, confirm you can see your listings, applications, or messages. If you forgot your password, go back to the sign-in window and click Forgot Password. Enter your email address, submit the request, and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Create a new strong password and then return to Zillow to sign in again. If you used Google to create your account, choose Continue with Google and select the correct Google account. If you used Apple, choose Continue with Apple and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple password. If you are on a shared device, avoid selecting any option that says Remember Me or Stay Signed In. If the page does not load, refresh the browser tab or try opening Zillow in a private or incognito window. If you get an error, clear your browser cache and cookies. Then try signing in again. On mobile, you can also use the Zillow app. Then tap Sign In and follow the same account steps. After signing in on the app, tap the profile or menu icon and select Rental Manager to access your tools. Make sure you are using the same account that owns your rental listings to avoid missing your dashboard. For extra security, sign out when finished by clicking your profile icon and selecting Sign Out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.